In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play the strongest battlegrounds on Xbox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to access strongest battlegrounds on any Xbox console, either old gen or new gen, how the controls work, and how you can play. So first, all that you have to do is from the home screen of Roblox on any Xbox console, just find the experience. If you cannot find it on the home screen, then just use the search function and look for strongest battlegrounds. It is going to be an experience made by Yielding Arts, and it should have more than 6 billion visits, and it's always the first recommended result. So as long as you join the official experience, you select it there, and you join any public or private server, you will be able to play the strongest battlegrounds. So immediately upon joining the experience, you will load in, and if you look at the bottom left corner of the screen, you can see the controls. So you can use A to jump, X to block, Y to dash like this to any direction, and then B to attack. You can use the left trigger but to lock on. So if you press down on the left trigger, you will see this little crosshair, and the camera is always going to focus on a specific opponent. So it can be useful if you are doing one-on-ones or if you just want to focus someone down. And of course, you have your abilities. So by using the left bumper, left trigger, and right bumper, you will be able to use them. So if I want to use the normal punch, it is abbreviated to LB, known as the left bumper. So you will be able to walk up to people and use them. If you want to select the things around the menu, then you will have to use the options or select button and then use the D-pad to browse through all of the options like this. You will be able to change characters between all of the available ones here, and you will be able to reset, change characters, and do anything you wish on the strongest battlegrounds. It is a super well-made experience, and like I said, you can practice combos just like you would on PC or any other platform, and all you have to do is find the experience using the search function on the Xbox version of Roblox. I hope I was able to help you on how to play the strongest battlegrounds on Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.